How was your experience working on this film?
My experience working on this film has been spectacular because this is one of those very rare films which comes once in a way. So this story itself is very different, you know. So as you speak about Sada King, the concept of Sada King is such that they have a performance board. So that performance board is levied upon extracurricular activity. So क्या होता है कि it is the Sada King crown. Sada Adda is our crib. It's a bachelor pad, and I'm pretty sure you have not seen such a brilliant place. It is messy, but it looks beautiful. When even if it's messy, you know that's the beauty of it. You know that's what the story is, and that is the element of the story. One other part is, which the audience doesn't know, is the fact that I personally believe, as an actor, as a human being, that if you believe in yourself, you don't need anything else. You need that one vote, and that is of your own. So never ever give up. Out of my personal experiences, out of the journey as an actor through this film, never give up. This story will just show you that what you deserve you're going to get, not what you want. Actually, I remember when we had a 1 month period of a workshop, which is a brilliant method to gear up, because whatever you'll see in the movie is going to be a matter of only 1 to 2 takes. Generally, it was because of technical aspects, which I'm glad that our workshops did help around with that. What you can expect from Sameer Khanna, which is a surprise element, I'm revealing it for the first time, is that you'll find hints of Matt Damon in Good Will Hunting, you know, his characterization. So you'll find those elements, that madness, that wild child image. It has all these elements of all these characters, but the major character is Mausam Beg, the director and writer of this film, who has experienced. So it was a big opportunity for me and a big responsibility that I was going to play a real life character, and I was going to, there is a very thin line between good and bad.
How far do you relate to in real life to the character that you portray?
You know, a lot of actors, this is my personal belief, I'm not telling anybody, but they say that I played this character, I had to become this, there was nothing that I could relate to, but I had to get some kind of information and everything out of it, which is not that true, you know, because if you don't have that thing in you, you can never give it your 100% or even more. Either taking experiences of whoever you can or observing. The best thing that I've learned is observation. For this role, I lost 17 kgs only because I wanted to justify the role, because I wanted not to only be an actor but to understand the medium and be a filmmaker, and all that knowledge has come to use now, and ये मेरी guarantee है सबके, I vouch for this, that you won't be disappointed and you will get your money's worth, because I myself, being so critical about my own role and others, एक realistic cinema है, you know, cheerful hai, you'll get out with a smile, and I guarantee that.
Are you a loyal lover in the film, or are you the Casanova type?
In real life, I'm a passionate lover. I believe in purity. अगर आपने Yin and Yang का symbol देखा होगा, वहाँ good and bad है, और उस good के अंदर एक black dot है. If your chi, if your energy is disturbed, you can go either which ways. You know, you can become good or you can become really bad. My character, you'll see him as a wild child, adventurous, funky, hardcore, rock star clothing.
Any one-liner or maybe 2-3 lines from the movie dialogue which might appeal to the audience?
He's a doting son as well, but he is different. For him, it's money is what money does, but not everything. तो उसको अगर मैं elaborate करता हूँ, उसका ये मतलब होता है कि okay, it's money, but he's not dependent on it. He wants to live on it, of course, because it's a part of life. But पैसे आते हैं उसके पास, तो दोस्तों को treat देता है, beer share पिलाता है, you know, treat देता है, दोस्तों को पैसे देता है, चल मैं तेरी मदद करता हूँ, तो दोस्तों से लेता भी है, ऐसा नहीं है. And डैड को देता है. मुझे एक सीन है पिक्चर में, आधे अपने पास रखता है दोस्तों के लिए, अपने लिए जो खर्चा चलाना होता है, आधे होता है डैड को देता हूँ, तो मुझे एक एडवांस मिला हुआ है. तो फिल्म का डायलॉग कुछ ऐसा है कि पापा 50,000 रुपये भेज रहा हूँ. क्या 50,000 रुपये खर्च नहीं कर पाएंगे आप? नहीं, बैंक में डालने की कोई जरूरत नहीं है. पापा कम से कम बुढ़ापे में थोड़ी अय्याशी कर दो. तो मतलब he's like a friend to everyone. So this is a film about a family.
ये जो आप character play कर रहे हैं, जो role play कर रहे हैं, how did this happen?
Actually, it's a wonderful experience which I went through. Disappointment इस industry में इस वजह से होती है कि जब आप fit हो रहे होते हैं, you have to be at the right place at the right time. If you believe in yourself, जैसे जो पिक्चर आपको सिखाती भी है, तो कॉन्फिडेंस कुछ और ही होता है. सीना चौड़ा करके आप निकलते हो, क्योंकि you have to really struggle as an actor. They will rip you off first of all, you know. They will nude you completely. Okay, you're nothing, and then they will make you something out of that. But continuously 3 महीने के लिए मैं जाते रहा. कुछ नहीं हुआ and I was just really shattered. I was like यार तू तो ना पिक्चर करना चाहता है, तुझे तो एक एडवर्टाइजमेंट मिल गया. And now after those 3 months I have done around 250 commercials on Indian television, humbly of course. And पाकिस्तान के लिए almost 50 plus मैंने commercials की हैं, UK और दुबई के लिए बहुत सारी commercials. So मतलब जब वक्त आता है तभी आता है. My trust has increased not only on your script because I know as a production house what Rajasthan Studios is, they will make something fantastic. They are very passionate और बहुत लगन से काम करते हैं. तो उनके लिए मैंने लुक टेस्ट दिया है. Rest is history. फिर उन्होंने बोला कि वर्कशॉप करेंगे, टेस्ट लेंगे, कैसा लग रहा है. और 4 दिन मुझे मालूम था, मुझे बोल रहे थे कि वर्कशॉप पे आ रहा है, मुझे मालूम था यार टेस्टिंग नहीं एज एन एक्टर. तो मैं फिर भी चिल्ड आउट होकर मैं लगन से गया. स्टूडियो में हमने वर्कशॉप की, एक अड्डा बनाया हुआ था हमने स्टूडियो में, एक पूरा रूम हमारा.
And which are the famous ads which give you maximum popularity?
मुझे हमेशा एक कॉम्प्लीमेंट ही मैं समझता हूँ आया है कि people don't recognize me in my commercials. Indian audience के लिए one of the ads which I'm really proud of is I did a spoof on Dabangg, you know, and I never thought I'll pull it off because Salman Khan का जो attitude और जो charisma है, you can't replicate it. But it's come out really well, and it's not for Indian market, it's for Pakistan, and Ashu Trikha has directed it.
And how was your experience working with the director and the production house?
My experience has been, this is my first project. मैं वैसे बहुत बात करता हूँ. मेरे दोस्तों का पूछोगे तो I'm like a talkative person. और I was the most silent person on. और कुछ नहीं किया, सिर्फ काम किया है. खून, पसीना, सब कुछ बहा है इसमें.
Through the medium of movies, and what is the message that you would like to give for the viewers?
The whole universe का जो energy होता है in your belief. So never give up. I never gave up. I'm here. It's my first project and a brilliant role. So you shouldn't do.